After trying this chicken, I only want to eat it this way. Combine half kilogram of chicken with a 200 grams tin of double cream. Then add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix until the ingredients are well combined. And before I forget, write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. I'd love to send a hug to our lovely follower, Zenaida Campion from Philippines and Jacqueline McKella from Malta. Thank you for keep on watching our videos. Now crack 1 egg, squeeze 1 lime, and mix well. Write me how you cook chicken back home. I'd love to know your recipe. Now cover the baking pan with plastic film and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to marinate. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, half spoon of paprika, half spoon of black pepper, half spoon of oregano, and half spoon of salt, and mix well. This is the mixture we'll use to coat the chicken. The chicken has been in the fridge for 30 minutes, so coat it in the flour and prepare to fry. Drizzle some oil in a pan. Let it warm up. Then add the chicken breasts and fry on both sides. And our fried chicken is ready. Look how delicious it is. You only need to take it from the pan and put it on a plate with kitchen towel to absorb the oil. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked this recipe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.